Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can create eye-catching travel content using Canva for free. So here, as you can see, some of my sample images that I just created from Canva. Now to create a design like this, so open up your Canva. And then here, you just need to select an image or find an image that you want to use to your picture or image. For example, this one here. You can also upload your own image. So in this case, I'm going to use this Paris. And then here, I'm going to zoom in. So drag on the corners to zoom in like this. Next, select the image and then click on Edit Photo. Then go to Effects and select Blur. And from here, you want to blur the whole image and intensity into 34, like this. And then go back to Elements. And we're going to search for hand holding picture. And then you just have to find an element like this, as you can see on your screen. And then you can basically zoom it in to fit on your image. So for example, this one. So to make it fit on your frame, so drag on the corners like this. You can basically put here at the bottom left, or maybe you can just adjust it right here at the center. Okay, and you can again drag on the corner. So you can basically customize your own or edit your own design, right? For example, now if you're okay with this one, go to Edit Photo and then select on the Video Remover. And there you have it. And then again, go back to Elements and go to that image. And then here you can crop it like this. You can drag the sides, and then we can basically place it right here. So it's like looking at a picture. So you can use that icon to basically just rotate the image or just drag on the sides or corners, just like this. So as you can see, it's like holding a picture. So there you have it. So this is the sample on how you can create the design using the Canva. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.